Dave at USA Performance Parts. I've got here the new Brodix Dragonslayer big block Chevy head. These are available in a 320cc runner for the 496 to 540 cubic inch and a 365cc runner for the 565s all the way up to over 598 cubic inch. This is an as-cast head, but with a new improved intake and exhaust port. It has the high flow exhaust ports in them with the raised exhaust. These are over 300 CFM on the exhaust ports. It has on the 320 it uses a 250 intake. On the 365 it uses a 300 and a 1880 exhaust. All the bowls are bowl blended. The intake ports are CNC port matched, so you don't have to touch that. This takes all standard stud mount rockers. It makes for a very, very strong head, very high horsepower head in a low price package. We also have it available as an option with a CNC chamber through USA Performance Parts too. The 320 head flows over 380, and the 365 head flows over 400. So great performing head at a budget price. Great for bracket racers, street engines, even all-out drag strip engines because it flows so much air. This is available completely assembled with manual valves. It's also available in a top-end kit with the intake manifold, assembled heads, valve covers, all the gaskets, all the bolts, everything you need just to bolt them on your big block Chevy end. These are in stock at USA Performance Parts. Give me a call at 704-397-7979 or check us out on the web at usaperform.com.